everyone, and welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to answer the question how to open first Abu Dhabi's bank account. You see, opening a FAB account involves a few basic steps. The process can also be initiated online or through the FAB mobile app, especially for UAE residents. First, you must ensure you meet the basic eligibility requirements. That is typically being 18 years or older and a UAE resident for most personal accounts. Research different types of personal accounts because FAB offers current account, savings account, and choose the one that best suits your needs. Then you have to gather required documents. For UAE residents, this commonly includes valid Emirates ID, the original and a copy of a valid passport, copy of a UAE residency visa page, proof of income like a salary certificate or pay slips, which may be required depending on the account type and your employment status. Other documents might be required or requested on a case-by-case basis. You have a few options to start your application. You can download the official FAB mobile app. Many accounts can be opened instantly or near instantly through the app using the Emirates ID. You can visit the official FAB website and look for personal banking or account section. You can often fill out an online application form or a lead form for the bank to contact you. You can also visit a FAB branch if it's convenient for you and apply in person. Whether online, via the app, or in person, you have to fill out the required document opening application form accurately and completely with your personal and contact details. Upload scanned copies of your required documents if applying online or through the app, or present your originals and copies if applying in person at a branch. The bank will review your application and documents. They will contact you for further clarifications or verification during this stage. Once your application is approved, your account will be activated. You will receive your account details and information on how to access your account online via the mobile app and details regarding your debit card and checkbook if applicable. Hope you found this video